It's really this collision of these two major forces. It's like living in two scary movies at the same time. And people are having a lot of very significant, very real, and very normal emotional reactions to all this happening. A lot of people are getting depressed and just feeling like they're just being beaten down over and over, and it just keeps coming at them from every angle, and it's hard to keep going and keep fighting and then just become lackadaisical or feel like just, who cares anymore? I'm just going to go out and do what I need to do, and I can't maintain this. It's just constantly, it's raining this stress on us, and that is just burning us out. Under stress, we have our adrenal glands, and they excrete the adrenaline, and we get up and we rise to the occasion and we fight the battle. But after a while, you can't keep doing that. You can't maintain it. You become physically and emotionally exhausted. Get enough sleep. Make sure you're eating well and getting good nutrition. Get exercise. Get outside and see the sunshine. Don't crawl into the covers and withdraw. Reach out and find other people and get support. Keep a diary or a journal and write down your emotions and express those and get those out. Distract yourself. Go read a book that you really enjoy. Listen to some music that you really enjoy. Watch a movie that really gives you pleasure. It allows you to escape for a little while. Limit your exposure to the media and the constant barrage of the negativity and the anxiety and the stress. And distill all that down to control what you can control, because so much of this is beyond our individual control.